Hello, my name is Michael Mitchell. I am the project leader for the Adapting to Salinity in the Southern Indus Basin project, or ASSIB. I'm just doing this recording for those who are not able to watch my live recording during the opening session for our Inception workshop. So, to provide a background to this project, we envisage that it will be the start of a 10-year program, and the aim of that 10-year program is to explore how to best build the adaptive capacity of people in Pakistan for living well, living better in salinity-affected landscapes. And the way we envisage this unfolding is that we are in the middle of a formative stage of research where we establish the kind of research that we'd like to undertake before moving into a participatory research where we work together with research users and beneficiaries in Pakistan, and ultimately leading to a stage of action research defined as being where research users and beneficiaries take a leading role in directing the research. So this initial 2.5-year project that is being launched today builds on prior research that was part of the project proposal development and continues this to establish processes for the participatory research stage. And the aim for this project has been defined as to develop and investigate adaptation options with people managing and living in salinity-affected landscapes in the Southern Indus Basin. Our collaborators on the team at this stage is intentionally few, so we have some individuals from various institutions in Australia and also from ILWS in United Arab Emirates. And in Pakistan, we have selected 3 institutions that are working with communities in salinity-affected landscapes, that being Mehran University, MNS, University of Agriculture in Multan, IUCN, and then we've also engaged SOFT, which is an NGO that specializes in community engagement. And then on top of that, we have a huge network of experts from a wide range of organizations, including PCRWR, NARC, and national and provincial government ministries and departments. So when we talk about this 10-year program moving from a formative stage through to an action research stage, at the formative stage, we would suggest that the pursuit of adaptive capacity requires a systemic and shared understanding of the context, and that shared understanding means it needs to be co-learned and co-articulated. Moving to a participatory stage, which we will develop as part of this project, is the pursuit of adaptation requires practical options, and that needs to be pursued through ongoing evaluation in context, and then building up to dissemination and enabling future planning. And then finally, at the action research stage, the pursuit of adaptive capacity needs to be researched and evaluated with the learning shared and advanced, and this can only be done by actively working with others to engage and build adaptive capacity. So, elements of all of these stages are being included in this current project and form the basis of our research questions. The systemic and shared understanding, the adaptation options, and actively working with others frame this current 2.5-year project in terms of the research questions that we're asking. These are the research questions around a systemic and shared understanding. We are looking at the current and possible future trends in relation to agricultural production systems in salinity-affected landscapes. In terms of adaptation options, we will investigate these options and the features that influence their effectiveness, uptake, and spread. And in terms of actively working with others, the research question is really around what does that mean to build capacity, to engage capacity, to enhance capacity, and whose capacity are we engaging and enhancing so that agricultural communities in these salinity affected landscapes are supported and encouraged to plan their own futures. So the intended outcomes by the end of the project are fourfold: improved knowledge, community level understanding of options have improved, communities have started planning their own futures, and importantly for this Inception workshop is that relevant government departments, policymakers, donors and other institutions will have engaged with and will be supporting these locally and collaboratively determined adaptation planning strategies, including through co-development of future research projects, which means that a key end of project output is a set of project proposals that scale out community-based adaptation planning and engages a wider range of partners. Thank you for your time.